He's here for pickup and ready. Deals, and in return, I got a gift. I can't wait to see what's inside. What's inside the goodie basket? Hello. This was a surprise. I wasn't expecting this at all. Hey. So I'm in the kitchen. I am going to be preparing portobello mushroom. I'm going to tell you what I'm using, and I'm also going to list the ingredients in the description box below. So let's get into it. So let's get the party started. So we are going in with habanero with seed and everything. It's not that spicy. It's not that spicy at all. It's tasty. It's delicious. Think of it as eating a candy. Mushrooms. So with the mushroom you can remove the gills, and the reason why some people remove it is because it has dirt. These don't have any, so there's no need for it to be removed. So we're going in with our mushrooms. It's mushroom season. Well, when it's raining, there's a lot of mushroom, and also when the time is very cold and moist, there's a lot of mushrooms throughout the city. As I go on my walks, there is a lot of mushroom. It's so incredible to see. Well, for me, and the reason for that is because back home we don't eat. I didn't grow up eating mushroom. And mushroom was called dopi. But here it's eaten. There are some imported and some that are native to Mexico. So I'm going in with chili flakes. Who doesn't add? No, it's gonna be very spicy. And I'm going in with black pepper. Some thyme. We need thyme, and we have thyme. Like I said, we always add salt because we're building flavor. So I am going to start this on the stove top a little, and then finish it off in the oven. I don't use a lot of oil because mushroom is very watery. So we're bringing this over to the stove here. We're gonna stir this up, stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. That's all it's been a long, long time. Like I should. So dokie, I guess we need some liquid in here. So we're going to put some vinegar. We need vinegar. Add some vinegar. Maybe way too much vinegar. But we're gonna fix it, right? We're gonna go in with some salt, smoked salt. And with this. Very spicy. I thought it would have been very vinegary, no? Compared to the amount that I put in. We're going good, we're going good. That the day is over. We're doing what we do best, walk. But I have to show you this boy. He's going crazy. What if he jumps and hurts himself? Oh my goodness. Okay, boy. This fruit tree right here, I don't remember what it's called, but it's usually bearing around summertime, and this year, this summer, it didn't bear any fruits. And we are now well, as I walk throughout the city, I noticed the tree is fruiting, and it's usually fruit during the summertime. The fruit, man. In the day today, which was a beautiful, unexpected, eventful day, I'm gonna say or leave you with a thought that always remember to do what makes you happy and what pleases you. See you in the next video. Stay positive, think on possibilities. Bye.